if you are learning to program, if you're learning to code at the moment and you are feeling like maybe this is not for you, you're coming to this sort of dip in your journey, you just got to push through it, right? There's so many times that I've been learning to code, that I've been learning to program, that I felt like I wanted to give up, but I just keep that sort of northern star, the top of my mind, that I'm getting to that goal and I'm going to reach that goal. The amazing thing is that I've been programming now we're going on formally for 10 months, that I've been making commits and building projects, but I've been offered, internships. I've been offered to work on different projects. I mean, it's amazing the sort of opportunities that I've gained in this very short time. I guess my message to you is just don't stop. Even if maybe getting a job as a developer is not your end goal, you just want to build a project or you just want to get better at this skill for any particular reason, you have a lot of other avenues to go to. You don't necessarily have to become a programmer, become a developer. You can become a creator, you can become a freelancer, you can become a contractor. There's so many different avenues that you can take with this profession. And I think that if you are feeling as if you're sort of running on this hamster wheel and you haven't had any opportunities, your inbox is completely empty, nothing's coming to you, you're applying for 100 million jobs a day, obviously a massive exaggeration, but you're probably, applying for a lot of jobs and everything's very silent. Don't worry, just keep going. Everybody goes through that. I've gone through that. I feel like I'm coming out of it now. I was definitely feeling a bit of a dip before, but it's all about momentum and it's all about persistence. And the person that is persistent is really going to outlast and outwin the person that is not. Persistence is really the name of the game. It's about doing the unconventional things. It's about pushing through and not giving in to those negative thoughts and negative doubts that we all get. Like, I get them. People that are 100 times more successful, 1,000 times more successful get them as well. Just stay persistent, stay consistent, stay true to your goal, and it's going to happen for you. I just wanted to sort of give this message out because I'm getting a lot of people that reach out to me and they're sort of feeling like they're stuck in a rut, that they're kind of worried about the tech industry, that they're worried about whether they should be learning to program, whether they're worried about what their future holds. I would say that if there's going to be changes, those changes are going to take a long time to take effect, right? So whatever your goal is, just stick with it. Don't stop. Be persistent with it. I know I'm repeating myself a lot in this video, but it's a pretty simple message, right? There's always going to be opportunities to doubt. The stuff online is all about getting you to click on things to be scared about, because unfortunately getting scared is what gets clicks. And if you buy into all of that, then all you're going to do is see yourself in a spiral of misery and depression. And that is not what you want to focus on. It's not going to help you. It's not going to help your family. It's not going to help the people that you want to support. It's not going to help anybody. All you've got to do is stay true to your goal. And whatever helps, you've got to find what works for you. If it's a vision board that you got to create, then create that vision board, right? If it's a little reminder on your phone every single day to tell you to start learning to code, then do that. One thing that I've done recently is I'm trying to sort of block out every single hour of the day to give myself something to do. That way I'm a lot more productive, and when I wake up in the morning, I know exactly what I should be doing, at what time, what I should be organizing, and that's really helped. So whatever sort of productivity tactic or hack that you can find that works for you, try it. You can only just try, right? You can only just try these things. It might work, it might not, but it doesn't matter. You've sort of checked something off the list that doesn't, and you're able to just keep moving forward. And the people that sort of wallow in their misery and their sort of self-pity, they are the ones that unfortunately are just not going to get what they want. It's always been about the people that can persevere. It's always been about the people that can overcome the objectives and stay true to their goal and enjoy the process as well. Learning this skill, this is tough, right? It's not easy. It's a really tough skill to learn. And there's obviously days that you probably are wondering why the hell you're doing this. But there is a huge reward towards the end. There is a massive reward, whether it being a job as a developer or something else. There's heaps of opportunities. The world is always going to need technical people. There's always going to be a need for people that understand technology, that can work with technology. So don't worry about the naysayers online. It's all just hot air. It's all just to get you to click on something and to buy something or to interact with something. There's some sort of compensation involved in getting you to be scared or getting you to be worried. So just look at it with a different perspective. Understand why this person has maybe created this piece of content or written this article or written this blog post. Understand the real motivations behind it. And then once you can, it helps you to gain a lot more perspective as to whether this is something you should listen to or not. So that's basically it. Just a very quick piece of advice to help you, stay consistent and stay on this journey. I hope you're getting some value from the channel, guys. I want to thank everybody that has subscribed, that likes, that comments all the time on my videos. You guys just, honestly, it's incredible. Friends that I'm making, the connections that I'm making as well. And maybe, I'll create a community or something in the future where we can all interact and talk to each other. But for now, I'm really just enjoying creating these videos for you. And look, many more videos to come. I'm looking at ways to make this channel even better for you. I really appreciate all the support that I've had so far. Don't give up on your dreams. Keep going. I'll see you guys in the next one.